Yeah man, the country boy at it again, you know. Yeah man, what upon the menu today? See it here, Callaloo. Yeah man, well strip off, see all the strips them there. See string bean there, see onion there. Jamaican Scotch bonnet, broad, batty pepper. Man, so they act like a lava ground. And sweet potato, of course, so we go roast. You understand? Because we say, you know, sulfur alkali in the blood, you know. So who they chat about roast food not good for you, go find one different theory, you know, because we don't know where you get it from. You understand? Yes, man. See it there? We do it in a slow motion, coming up with the finishing product. Pause the video, press the pause. See it here, you know. Ready for go up on the fire, you know. We are talking about we seasoning to do. Me find piece of cabbage, you know, man. You know what this? French thyme or organa. Yeah, man, the real thyme. Yeah, the real thyme. Pimento seed, see it here? You understand? Yeah, man, we have everything in it. Country pepper, scallion, onion, ready for your road, you know, man. Jaja, we have the string bean, them cut up well fine, you know, see it here? Half we have, see fire around here, so. Watch ya. You know, set up your thing already, see? See mesh here, so. We go up on here, so. What do you, man? We prepare feet, man. The harder I get, so easier I get, you hear? Yes, I. Simple is more. Yes, man. See it here? Jaja send his son. Yes, I. I and I eat, man, peace and light, you know? Yeah. Too nice out there. Too nice. You pass that? Yeah, what do you, man? Yo, everything alright right there, so. You see me? Yeah, man, I see them there all together, finishing product coming up. You see me? How in here, so look. Alright, Judge. What you said to me? Yes, I. Yeah, man, see it here? One left. One come off and one to go. Yes, I. The guava stickers fork. What do you, man? Yes, my people. Simple is what? More sweet potato in this roast, man. Too sweet to beat. Yes, I. See it here, you know, my people. See it here? Sweet potato, roast, scrape to what? To type. Yeah, man, I eat, man. Avocado. You see me on the Callaloo already, you know, man. Jaja send his son. Yes, I. Ready to go down, you know. Yeah, man, finger food on the banana leaf as the plate and the calabash. Yes, Paki. Yo, that's enough.
Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth, Earth, It's on Amazon. See ya, check it out.